The perfect vocalist, unleashing the simpatico sounds of your feline friend, as any cat lover knows. Our feline companions are more than just adorable balls of fluff, they're also incredibly vocal. While it's common to think that cats only meow and purr, the truth is that they're capable of producing a wide range of sounds. In fact, despite having only 2 vocal cords compared to humans, 3 cats can make over 100 different noises. In this blog, we'll explore the fascinating world of feline vocalizations and discover why your cat's simpatico sounds are truly perfect. The art of feline communication. Cats communicate primarily through body language and vocal cues. While they're not as verbally expressive as humans, their meows, purrs, hisses, and growls convey a wealth of information about their emotions, needs, and intentions. For instance, a happy cat